Hello everyone, Draego here, and you are watching.
Watch me. Dragon off!
Hello, what's up, and welcome to a new video. So in this video I am going to be showing you the best way to install any Android phone drivers on a Windows PC. So for this you need a USB cable, a Windows PC, and the ADB drivers zip file. I will gonna give link to the ADB driver zip in the description, so go and download it from there. And if you guys are going to enjoy this video, then give a like and join Team Draego by subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. Now go to your PC and open a web browser and open the Google and type ADB drivers and click the first link and download the ADB universal drivers. Now after the download of ADB drivers, go into your download folder and extract the ADB driver zip. And after that, connect your Android phone to PC with the help of a USB cable, and make sure that you have enabled the USB debugging and other debugging options. If you cannot find the USB debugging option, then go into About Phone and tap on build number 5 to 7 times. It will gonna enable the developer option. Then after that, open the developer option and scroll down, and after that you will gonna see a button called USB debugging, so enable that. And after that, click on the ADB drivers installer, and after that opens, install the ADB drivers, and that's it. Your Android phone drivers is now installed on your Windows PC. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that this video helped you. If you wanna see my gaming videos, then check out my other YouTube channel, which is Draego. Make sure that you like, share, comment and subscribe, because we are going to reach 500 subscribers very soon. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Now wake up, you got some shit to do. It's 6 a.m., I don't care, you got some shit to prove. right now, you ain't got nothing that big to lose. So get your ass to work and don't you dare hit snooze. Can't stop this, I'm obnoxious, and I'm honest and novice with promise. Made monstrous, I'm conscious, but I'm nauseous. Think I've lost it,